Babize bonke sigcwale ngediski. The rivalry continues as Mamelodi Sundowns clash with Orlando Pirates once again in a highly anticipated affair. After a series of humiliations at the hands of Masandawana, the Buccaneers have a bone to pick. It's up to Ezgama Gepula to stop the Mamelodi winning machine, who are on a record-breaking winning streak. It's a must-watch. Get a DSTV decoder for $6.99, including installation, and be part of the action. Mamelodi Sundowns versus Orlando Pirates. Watch it live on SuperSport on DSTV Compact. iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Orlando Pirates 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Okay, when we come to these matches, you always wish that it's going to be a game. This was a game in Orlando. Thank you to everyone who was there. I'm still sweating and tense from the tension of that game. Junior Khanye, Vilagaz is here. Everyone is here. It was such a tense game. Congratulations to both teams for making it a very competitive game. Junior Khanye, our analyst, what do you make of the game, sir?
Nkululeko mabrada kunjani?
Yes sir.
Ngibulise lethu Benedict Vilagaz. Ngibulise uDrugs. Justice. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV. Fighting no one, try to fix South African football.
Yes,
not
sir.
The obvious game.
Yes sir. Competitive football.
Yeah, not the obvious game. We need to be honest and straightforward. But why changing the winning combination? Abona mangithi Pirates, they've got players, they don't have a coach. It's like driving a very beautiful car, you buy it 100 million. And then when you open up, Sebos Kipi Limal, Bagnigilis key shop value. I see to buy 1 means to 5. Immediately get we pound and up to this traveler sick. How are you gonna get home? Intentionally Orlando Pirates. So what I'm trying to say, they don't have a coach. Approach game at 3 defensive midfield. Undlondo scored the beautiful goal, one of the best goal. I think he contended goal of the season against Golden Arrows. They went 4. Play with 1 defensive midfield to Mnare. Second game against Imarumo Kalansi, they won 2-0. So why? Who said he must change the winning team? Approaching this game, yes, Sundowns, they didn't win according to Sundowns, they didn't play today. I need to be honest with the quality that standard they've set. A lot of players from Rulani Mkwena, the team, didn't come to the party. As calling a defensive midfield, Mkwena was off. Beka paper too much. Mangi to paper too much ngizama ukuthi iback 3. We know Sundowns ukuthi these 3 the best way to defend for them is to play. Young keeping the ball kuma right channel. But today this guy Umkwena didn't go and fetch the ball ukulinka ukuthi ibhola lizofika kuma yema nomkhulisi. You force ukuthi umkhulisi uyenzile I think 20 minutes abona ukuthi ibhola lifika umkhulisi bese ka jump Umkwena ulanda ibhola because ibhola belingafiki kuye. So umkhulisi bekayenza sort of a box to box. Yes, he's not a player uyayenza, you know umkhulisi can do that. Energetic, umchito kwazi cover space, but makazolanda ibhola lapha, who's gonna play this front 3? Ngoba truly speaking Mshishi was off. Truly speaking, mina umqine too much Rulani. Mshishi was off. And playing Mailula and he played like so. I understand. Shalulile. Why playing them, both of them? Why playing both of them? Rulani. You're supposed to play a left wing forward, right wing forward, so that you can balance on Mailula central. Don't do favor. Shalulile is a good player, but one of them, between him and Mailula, Shalulile and Mailula, 2 of them, one of them must sit outside. Gubena left wing forward, na right wing forward, so that you can balance. Yes, he did a great thing. I think we bonile by putting Umkwena ngapha ukuthi Pirates dlala speed umuntu one day 2 attackers Orlando Pirates today starting 11. It was Pule Saleng, Munapule Saleng and Kemite Rasmus. Many people will say Kemite Rasmus, criticize him. He's giving Pirates nothing, especially Kemen Amhlanje. Who passed him central la 30-meter pass okanye la pocket amdlala 30 run. You've got 3 defensive midfield Unomsele, Munare, team. Both of them amakwala. 3 of them amakwala. These players batalanga 3 the back, ukubamba ibhola no goalkeeper ukudlula bona. No Sibisi. These 3, this goalkeeper, Usbisi, Ukoki, holding the ball Kemina Namhlanje, always goalkeeper udlala Ukoki must bring in a crowd here, Iraselu goalkeeper. But the boy Al-Shai. Because sometimes press them. So now Usbisi na knowing we ambona Ukoku drafting up right. yena uyengapha left udlala ibhola kulabantu abasaba ukubiza ibhola and they are not even in charge of ibhola of your Sundowns. They come running bapressa le front three, they will come and still bakore kanjalo Sundowns. That's how they got the goal. Babiza critical phase kule game isasuka ngathi ayomapanga iPirates first 4 minutes it was a goal. Udlala kanjani ibhola ni stretchile so four people behind, it was 4 against these 2. Either way, decision making, Mshishi, I think he did a great thing. After that, quiet. Good first touch from Fana because the fan pass for Mshishi. Peggy finishing, goalkeeper Lasuga corner, far post is cool. Yeah, after that,
I need to ask you, Orlando Pirates, surely they did something right. There's a reason why it was tense today. Usually when we come to watch Sundowns, it's straightforward. I'm bored. It's like, Jesus, I don't want to be here because Sundowns win from the first 30 minutes. Today, it was tense. It was competitive. What did Orlando Pirates do right? Pirates,
they have so many positions today in the right. It's never happened, but then Sundowns in a position. Usually, come with the game plan with Labas transition. Have ball position, but these players who are under the Pirates ball position without using it, it doesn't make sense. Because always they go wide. Saling. Badlala Saling or Mayela, because Roto was off. Mayela bekumele khuphuke yena. And when he got that ball, he must cross it. Crossela abantu kunoKhemite Rasmus. So Pirates, yes, they did in terms of ball position, but these 3 bayenza ngokufana, 3 of them. Uthimula ndibhola ku left back kuMayela. Udlala long diagonal. Who's going to support that guy? Uyambona ukuthi umsela ume lapha kwakhe noMnari. They concern about Sundowns ukuthi izodlala. Wawushaya diagonal ball. Udlala uShandu. Knowing very uShandu ukuthi akusumuntu skillful, akusumuntu ongalandi 1v1, yes, him noMrena. Angeke azamlande. Usho ukuthi la bhola kusho ukuthi kumele libuyisele back emuva. Pirate, they hold the ball sideways and crosses, yes. But yeah, be dangerous. Inte buke danger I'm a set piece. Yeah, Sundowns didn't come to the party. I need to be honest. No game management. They didn't control the tempo of the game. Goalkeeper, I think, has helped them in terms of goalkeeper was say yes. I think corner like Pirates 2 chances, especially on a set piece. He did well. Ronan Williams, and really. I support. Today in Sundowns back 3, Mamelodi Sundowns, which is Okekana, Umvala, and also yes, in terms of Uzomaka, Uzomniga nae, Lumfana Mkwena, but in terms of Utadali, no. So Sundowns players didn't come to the party. Front 3, Mshishi was off. Mayema in the middle, the body language, I don't understand. One of the best players didn't do well. Shalulile off as well. A lot of players were Kulis, yes, on and off. They got light, so it balances Sundowns. The system need everybody to move. So compliment to Mamelodi Sundowns good pattern.
Yeah, there's something very quickly I need to read here. Someone is asking me to ask you what your prediction yesterday was that Pirates were going to win 2-1. Sundowns have won 1-0 now.
I think Shama prediction, I think 4 years in future. We were 2 country kakulu. And actually, Spongo Crest.
Did you dream of Pirates winning today?
Ingwenya ingathi mangithi bengazi mina deep down ukuthi was wona 1-0 beng blow fi country. Deep down knowing. Phela ingwenya ngeke ngiphikise. Yeah, no, izoba surprise ngisazwashanga uNkulunkulu. Ngiyadlala noma brother without it's my mistaken. Ngibone judging on pace i-performance Pirates Golden Arrows and 2-0.
To be honest, with you and so both of you said Sundowns were going to lose, but to be honest, before the game, an hour when we got here and we looked at the starting lineup, when we saw 3 defensive midfielders, everyone thought Sundowns were going to win.
Yeah, truly speaking, before that game, the lineup play engibone immediately Arrows 4-1. Again, game Marumo Kalansi, Pirates won 2-0 without conceding. Udlala nga one defensive midfield, igame yakhe balance, uDlamini, uNdlondlo. Ignika that dimension yokuthi attacker. Uyabona nifika kanjani epaleni. Today mangibona starting 11. Ngapha mina I told you mara nanga izolo mangabe sikhuluma kahle si analyze this game. Ukuthi coach is going to surprise by coming bengibheke 2 defensive midfield. Bengibheke uBen Mutshwari mina or Mnari no team. They did 3 namhlanje at about 8 defenders include attacker 2. Pule Saleng, Munapule Saleng. Yes, Munapule Saleng, Khemite Rasmus. how you gonna score to Sundowns? So compliment to Mamelodi Sundowns. Remember when pressure abantu. Everybody want to play. Compliment for them to score. This is the best team, irrespective of what team. Money pressure more than anyone, and they did very well. Yes, compliment to them.
There you go. Mamelodi Sundowns defeating Orlando Pirates. It wasn't obvious, but the team you always think is going to win won. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching.